Hello, in this video I would like to show you how to upgrade this 10.4 inch from a single CCFL to our UB35 series LED kit. This kit comes with the LED driver, smaller one, 6-pin pigtail, one UB35 series LED kit, strips, and one aluminum tips. This is to upgrade to replace our previous old discontinued XB80220 LED 3520. So it's quite easy, and it's a lot easier to replace it because it's straight. So basically there's two screws, we need to remove it, and then we just take the whole assembly out, put it in the 35 series. There's two small Phillips screws that hold in the reflectors. Okay, just remove it. Basically just take it out. So this one damaged a little bit, but that's okay. Okay, it's clean. Okay, so when you take it out, we just mount right back here, same location, and you're gonna stick to underneath that there's a plastic. You need to stick to plastic, not this metal frame. Okay, the plastic. So then use our aluminum tip to cover it. So that's about right. So basically just make sure it stand up vertically like this. Yeah, then you stick to it. Just make sure you stick to the bottom plastic film, not the metal film. Okay. Right. Sit just like that. Okay, now we gotta peel off the tape. We're gonna align, show you, we're gonna put it like this. On this end you align with this side. You see this side, then just keep peeling off. See this? Then you slightly just bend it over and cover it. Done. So how easy it is. Get a piece of tape here. Finish. So this end can connect to either connectors, and this is when you receive it. We also put a double side tape. You can stick to anywhere you want, or you can just mount it right back to the old inverter locations. This wire, color coded wire, 6-pin pigtail. Red is for input voltage, black is for the power ground negative, white is for adjustment, usually no connection, yellow is really important, it's for enable. You need to apply anywhere between 3 to 5 volts to turn this driver on and off. If you cannot find the enable voltage on your inverter wire harness, you can add a piece of solder here and short out the JP5. It's really small one, you can see under the camera. Just short out this JP5, and then all you need to do just apply positive and negative. That's it. Thank you for watching.